Hello everyone. I am Avahang Rai from Sikkim. I am only 2 years old. I love to play outside, munch on some snacks, and drink milk. I run around a lot. Sometimes I fall and sleep when I am tired. By the way, I love French fries. I am traveling to Mumbai to see the famous giant buildings and iconic monuments. Then I will travel to Goa to play at the beach. This is my vlog, yeah, my point of view. You'll see what I see. So come now, join me, let's go on my big baby adventures. Because when you travel with baby eyes, every place feels like magic. Ready? Okay, let's go. We are at the taxi stand. Where are we going? I want to eat this balloon. New sunglasses for me? I think we're going somewhere big. Sunshine giving me kisses. The wind tastes funny. Like invisible ice cream. Look, look, look. Trees are running. Why are those mountains going backwards? Where's the food, Mummy? My tummy's saying, I'm empty. Now for some walkie-walkie after dinner. Ooh, a cycle. I see you, Mr. Cycle. I touch you. Tiny car with no doors. I like it. I'm the captain of this rickshaw ship. Shiny floor. Time to run. They can't catch me. Can I have this sandwich, Baba? Wow, stairs to the sky. Plane is so big. I got a window seat. Yay! I see the wing. Will it flap like a bird? Wow, cotton candy clouds. Can I eat one? Are we flying like birds? Am I sitting on clouds now? I want to jump on them. Oh, we are landing back on Earth now. Raindrops are dancing on my window. Plop, plop, plop. That tiny car is going fast. I chase it. Come back, zoom car. Wait, wait, I want to ride you. Snack time. Yes, please. Crunchy munchy yum. Lights below look like stars on the ground. That bridge looks like a shiny snake. It's sleeping on the water. Did it eat all the lights? I see tiny cars and glowy worms. I see you, Mumbai. Are you ready for me?
Welcome to Mumbai. Welcome to Mumbai. Welcome to Mumbai. Abu. Welcome to Mumbai.
Hot, hot, hot. Sleepy, sleepy. Hungry, hungry. Whoa! Big fan in the sky. Cool air. Happy now. Food tastes better with cartoons. Oh, Grandma, Daddy, come eat with me. Huh? What's that behind Mummy? Oh, a big TV with people hitting balls. Cricket. Hot, hot, hot again. Oh wait, Daddy's magic fan. Who's this tiny human? Mommy says she's my little sister Girija. TV time. Yay! Baby shark. Chocolate in my mouth, not open yet. Should I bite it? I heard Mummy say, we'll see a giant gate by the sea, and a big white hotel. I can't wait. Are you as excited as I am? Stay tuned for my next big adventure. Thank you.